So after watching the Diet Coke float in the Coke sink and you've thought about it for a moment, you're going to stop and say, well, things that are less dense float and things that are more dense sink inside of water. The density of water is about 1 gram per 1 milliliter. It actually fluctuates a little bit with temperature. 4 degrees Celsius cold water is actually exactly 1 gram per 1 milliliter, but it varies a little bit. Let's go ahead and take our balance. Again, here's our balance. We're going to go ahead, turn our balance on, and we're going to weigh it. Now, when we weigh each one of them, okay, we'll get the mass of each Coke can, but the volume of each Coke can is virtually identical. So the volume is the same, so there should be a difference between the two. So we weigh our Diet Coke can, and it weighs 372.37 grams. 372.37 grams is our Diet Coke. 382.8 grams. So 372 versus 382, we have 10 more grams of chemical trapped inside of here that are not inside of here. So what is that chemical? You're right, sugar, okay? So when we look and see inside of a Coke can, okay, the amount of sugar that we're getting inside of a Coke can is 39 grams. So we're getting 39 grams of sugar here, and we're not getting 39 grams, we're getting 0 grams of sugar. Now what happens is, okay, we're getting 39 grams more sugar, yet this only weighs how much? This weighs about 10 grams more than this, okay? 382 versus 372, okay? So it's not 38 grams more, because what happens is you're going to have a little less water inside of here. It's a little bit more concentrated with sugar and water. But 38 grams of sugar inside of a Coke, making the Coke can a little bit more dense than the Diet Coke can. So now, Coke Mini. Yes, a Coke Mini and a Sprite and a Coke Zero. So now I would like for you to go ahead and take some time and consider what will happen with each one of these. Come up with explanations with volume, mass, density, as to what you think will happen when each one of these is put into water.